Hey guys, Aurora here. If you are watching because you want to see how to encapsulate your own herbs or any kind of herbal medicine that you want to encapsulate yourself, I want to show you how to do this, and please stay tuned. And if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let's get this video going. I have the machine that holds 100 capsules. The size for this machine is 00. So when you do that, you have to buy the exact size of capsule. The gelatin should be also size 00. Otherwise, it will not work if you buy a different size capsule. I do have the separated empty gelatin capsules here. I have the bottom and I have the cap. So let's go ahead and start with the big one first. So this is where you put the bottom, and we're gonna use this one. Now let's go ahead and pour this one on the machine. And what you do, just shake it until they fall into the holes. And some of them can be upside down. It's alright, we can just manually put them right side up. Sometimes I like to do it manually, but that can take time. This one is also fine to do it. You can do both ways. Do it manually or you can do it this way. Some of them is not going to the hole, so we can go ahead and do this manually. Empty one, just press down the spring, then you'll be able to see it. I need 3 on this side. Alright, I need 5 more. Looks like we fill it up already. Now let's set that aside. For the top one, we use this tiny one. Alright. Now let's drop this cap. I have also counted that to 100. Now let's just shake it. Yep, some of them is double up. Just have to manually put them down. We have 12 upside down. We can go ahead and turn it up. Checking if everything is in there. Everything is there. So we can go ahead and fill in the capsule. This is where you put the moringa. So if you want to see how I powder the moringa and how I dry the moringa, I may have to do a separate video for that one. Let me know, or just leave your comments down below. I will definitely do that. I just haven't edited the video yet. Anyhow, I have this scraper, so just spread it out. So what I've noticed, when you fill it up, just fill it up. Don't press it way too much, otherwise the capsule will not work. The caps, when you try to lock them together, it will just break. Also, when you want to powder your moringa, the best processor is the coffee grinder, because it really does refine the moringa to really fine powder, which is very nice. Now let's go ahead and tamper the machine with this one. Just be gentle so you don't break the capsules. What we're doing here, we need to press the powder inside the capsule. Alright, now let's go ahead and spray it more. Alright, one more time. This is very easy, you guys. Now we can go ahead and put the cap on. What we need to do is grab the cap one, and then you put this orange one top. There. Then you flip it down, and then slowly press them all the way. You hear that? Looky. Isn't that wonderful? I have 100 moringa here, you guys. 100 capsules. That's how you do it. I hope you like this video. If this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will definitely get back with you. Shout out to my latest comments on my YouTube video. Chona comenguez, Sheila Life and Style, Amma Estacio, Meliza Formentera, A Life of a Pinay Mother with Foreigner Husband, Mehzabin Pinky, Tikla, Draw Tonight, Rachellebearvlogs, and Victor Hugo.